This is my custom Star Trek Voyager Engineering bay, built for 5-inch action figures, packed with interactive features, and reimagined with a bold, retro toy feel. Today, I'll show you how I designed it, printed it, and brought it to life. Let's step into engineering. Let's get started. Before CAD, I planned in the simplest way possible, masking tape. I mapped the footprint on my cutting mat, warp core in the center, consoles around it, walkways where figures need room to move, and elevator placement for that second level. It's quick, it's visual, and it tells me immediately if the space will actually play well. Once the layout felt right, I moved into CAD. The full design took about 3 weeks, with the warp core as the centerpiece and everything built outward from that. Then came the long part, printing. This ran for weeks, with multiple printers running constantly. Test prints, redesigns, reprints, warp panels, nozzle clogs, everything you'd expect from a project this size. But the best thing about this modular design, if one section doesn't work, you don't scrap the whole build. You fix that piece and keep going. For filament, I used a high-quality PLA with a slight sheen, enough to bring out the Federation surface details without looking like glossy toy plastic. One of the most complex parts was the octagonal floor. Getting those pieces to interlock cleanly took a lot of prototyping. Eventually, I designed the floor with removable grills, and underneath, there's space for LED lighting. So when you add the lights, the deck starts to glow, like energy running beneath the ship. It changes the entire mood, especially on camera. At the center of the playset is the warp core, the heart of Voyager Engineering. I designed it in practical segments so it prints cleanly and assembles strong. The core is built around a central column representing the dilithium reaction chamber, surrounded by matter and antimatter injectors, containment fields, and plasma conduits that carry enough energy through the ship. A locking frame and support legs click together, with the core itself built as stackable sections using peg connections. Designing it this way gives me clean color breaks and leaves space for inside for lighting. Once it's lit, the core becomes the focus of the entire room. Around it, I recreated the bright red circular safety rail and control terminal, scaled for posing and hands-on play. Surrounding the core are 5 stylized workstations, the nerve center of the build. Each console has custom LCAR-style decals, inspired by Voyager's references, but pushed into a bolder, more toy-forward graphic style. Above the stations, I added floating white light covers, a simplified version of Voyager's overhead lighting. They're hollow inside, so I can add LEDs and get that soft ambient glow across the room. The original set uses office-style seating, which doesn't really suit a futuristic starship or a toy playset. So I redesigned the chairs to better fit Voyager's look, while keeping them stable and easy to pose. The playset includes a simple hand-operated elevator that moves figures between levels. It's a straightforward mechanical system, smooth, reliable, and easy to use. The rear walls are removable, which makes a big difference for access, staging, photography, and also future expansion. Everything is built as a system. Floors lock in, sections connect, and the whole set stays solid when you play with it. Thanks for coming along on this build. If you enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and let me know which Star Trek environments you'd like to see next. And as always, live long and play on.